Hi, special intention for the night of the Seder. We have a big opportunity to ask for the people that were kidnapped in the night of the Seder. The story is as such. Many, many years ago, in the time of Avraham Avinu, Abraham the Patriarch, his son-in-law, Lot, was kidnapped in the night of just before the Seder. And a messenger is coming to Abraham to tell him that his nephew was kidnapped. Abraham is getting the people that were going with him to the war against tremendous and very strong kings that took the nephew of Abraham and many other people in captivity. And Abraham is going out to the war, and some are saying that all the people that he took was only his slave named Eliezer. And both of them together went. They won in a miraculous way the kings that captured the nephew and all the other people, brought them back with no harm back to their home. At the same night, Abraham the Patriarch, came back and was able still to do the night of the Seder, at least the 4 cups and the matzah. As we know that the sages Avraham, Yitzchak, Yaakov did all the mitzvot before even Mount Sinai. The message here is that the merit of Avraham Avinu is revealed in the night of the Seder, which means this coming Saturday night. Again, the energy of the miracle that took place for Avraham Avinu to bring back the hostages, to bring back the people that were kidnapped, was taking place. So it would be very good and very important that all of us will meditate this coming Saturday night, that with the merit of Avraham Avinu, the Almighty will have mercy upon the people that were kidnapped, and he will release it from above, because the only one that can free the hostages is the Almighty. Without permission of the Almighty, for whatever reason that we don't understand, it's being delayed. But the moment that there will be permission from above, this will take place. So we are asking for the mercy of the Almighty, for the merit of Avraham Avinu, because of the merit of Avraham Avinu, that Hashem, that the Almighty listened to him, and at the night of the Seder, to bring the people that were kidnapped, and to bring his nephew that was kidnapped. We can do it in our mind, in our consciousness, through the Seder, through the different stages of the Seder. One moment that is very powerful to do so is when we open the door for Elijah the prophet, when we pour a cup of wine for Elijah the prophet, and we are asking what we are asking in that moment. We can add to it in our mind, and we can even talk, and we ask literally from Hashem to have mercy on the people that were kidnapped, that very quickly they will return leshalom, with total peace, to their home, healthy in their spirit and their body, and God willing that this will take place. So I hope that all of us will be able to do so. I wish to everyone happy and kosher Passover, Chag Kasher v'Sameach, and Bezrat Hashem, that we all experience miracles in the coming year, in the coming 12 months of the year.